Now here, between midday, noon, and 4 p.m., the shadow becomes longer. The shadow is longest or shortest at sunrise and sunset? It is longest. The shadow is longest or shortest in the middle of the day? It is shortest. Said that because of the position of the sunlight. It is what affects the length of the shadow, okay? Now, the last question, we have Emilio and Julio are traveling in the car through a tunnel. The tunnel is 10 kilometers long. At first, it is completely dark in the tunnel. Then, after 5 minutes, Julio says, "Look, I can see the light at the end of the tunnel." Explain why the boys could not see the light at the end of the tunnel to begin with. Now remember that light travels in straight lines, okay? So when they were in the tunnel, the light could not get to them because of the bend of the tunnel. When they traveled far enough in the tunnel, the light, which moves in straight lines, could move to them, could move to their eyes, and they could see it. So the answer is light travels in straight lines and there is a bend in the tunnel. There's a bend in the tunnel, and the light from the end of the tunnel, they could not see it. So they could not see the light first. But once they moved, once the boys traveled, they traveled around the bend, the light could reach them. Let's get to their eyes, and they could see it. Okay, so light travels in straight lines, and there is a bend in the tunnel, so they could not see the light first. Once the boys traveled around the bend, the light could get to their eyes and they could see it. Here it's the word bend, B-E-N-D. Okay, and that's it for today.